The rider community. I was talking to my sister Christina here. अगर अभी एक फुल बोतल पी लेंगे तो हम लोग बुढ़ापे में कुछ पी ही नहीं पाएगा. We are based from Arunachal Pradesh. You guys have a lot of beautiful girls, man. Thanks. Good night. One hell of a fun we had.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Yeah, my sacrifice.
Bro, bapi ni
Copyright.
Hausen in Ogdanai Dabo. Second day war. Pasta bajika. Pasta katironka. Sal hapka batini photos bui mangalaka. Dinani look geko.
Hello guys.
Hello.
We have reached
The destination.
Sound check, sound check. Oh.
Christina, you're amazing.
Jessid, I love you. Yes, Aniko host.
Rocking the show, guys.
Yes, yang lagi deh menai. Seng menai ni juta na nanya sayu bin juta tam jadi adbut po. Oh, marvelous! I know. Thaguagi, unko khai pro, farmer khai pro. Am ta heng tong ke, am na bung ko tam nai, o juta na tam hin hin.
Let's have a good time together.
I want to ask you guys a question. What do you do when you love someone deeply? Yeah, we die for them. We do everything for them, right? So the next song is called Everything I Do with Brian and Aram. I'll walk a while for you, baby. Let me introduce my band. On my right is my friend, Mr. Dr. Rahul, who's a fantastic guitarist. And in the bass, he do what is best. Mr. Kyok, and on keyboard, melody is King, not Queen, sorry, King, Mr. Roy. And on drum, Mr. Tatai. Yeah, we are moving to the next song. This song, actually I wrote for my wife before we get married. So this song I want to dedicate it to my wife. This song is called Libuma. He talk about our love story, how we met, the journey of our love story. This song is called Libuma. And we just take some time, technical issue. Are you guys enjoying, by the way? Yeah, please do support me and give me some energy. I want your energy, guys. Come on, man. You have a long way to go. I want to dedicate this next song to the young man who miss their exes, actually. You're living with your present girlfriend, but you secretly text your ex-girlfriend. You keep in contact, it's kind of affair. So, the song is called Lives on the Angel, man. You guys know the song, sing with me, okay? Don't call me late night, okay? I have a wife. So the organizer, this is a request from the organizer. The song is called The Reason. Hope stand. Yeah.
Let's go!
There's many things I wish I could do. Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys.
Call your wife on stage. We want to see the inspiration on the stage.
This is a story of a young man who goes to a pub and fall in love with a burger. Not a burger, it's a strip girl. So actually what he got hypnotized by her. So these songs belong to those guys who go to a pub and get hypnotized. The song is called Muhani. In Cobra you call it Muhani, it's hypnotized. Let's go!
Let's go!
To all the riders who came safe, riding all the way from different states. You have sacrificed your time, emotions, family to make it out here, to join us. This song is called A Sacrifice. My sacrifice from the Creed. I hope you guys enjoy the song. If you guys know the song, sing with me. Alright. You guys are enjoying, right? Everyone? Thank you guys are awesome. We are fucking live. Oh. See you guys.
Yeah, that was some performance, you know. These songs, I wish, I pray, I hope to God, one day there's someone special in my life to whom I can sing these songs written by my good friend Shingli, and I am actually honored to be in presence of the lady who inspired those original songs. My partner, let's hear it for her, Christina, the inspiration of that great music. You're all welcome.
And we had a great time. The first band was great. Of course, it will be great for me, but I don't know how it is for you guys. I hope it was great for you too. Yeah, so next band is a very unique name. Their band name is Sitra. Okay, we have been learning Kogra words, right? So there's a new word you're gonna learn now, that is Sitra. Sitra! 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 Sitra literally means ugly or something bad. Okay? So I've been asking them, why do you want to be called Sitra? Sitra, ugly or something bad. But I think they want to be bad. I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, bad is good. Yeah.
The couple, Shingli and Christina behind the camera, she should not be behind the camera. I love this couple. They're loving, so beautiful. I get inspired to get married.
Because we have the support of all you brothers who've ridden all the distance to this goddamn place amongst all the adversities of nature. Thank you. This is my boys on the stage.
Amrit Basumati, Chief of IGM Motorcycle Club from Borderland. हम लोग इंसान हैं, okay? We are human being. हम लोग राइड करते हैं, दारू पीते हैं. But I request all of you guys, जवान में एक पैक पियो, बुढ़ापे में एक पैक मिलेंगे. हाँ ठीक है, वो हमेशा याद रखो. हम लोग हमेशा जिंदा रहना है. अगर अभी मिलेगा एक फुल बोतल पी लेंगे तो हम लोग बुढ़ापे में कुछ पी नहीं पाएगा.
The open road wanderer.
All thanks to you, my brother. I mean, like, I tip of my head.
The rider community.
It takes us like 4 days to reach here. But all thanks to this brotherhood and sisterhood. The 4 days of journey, and we didn't feel a bit of it. Now, when coming to Tripura, we came a few days in advance, and we got a chance to see so many different places in Tripura. We got a chance to explore Tripura, the beautiful lakes, the palaces that you have here. And again, I have to acknowledge the different tribes of Tripura here. Like yesterday, I was talking to my sister Christina here, who is also a host and MC. She was in a beautiful Tripuri attire. I was so captivated. I was so drawn to that dress that she was wearing. I got a chance to talk to her and learn a few things about the Tripuri culture, the tradition, the dress that you wear. And on behalf of Open Road Wanderers Motorcycle Club Sikkim and on behalf of my state Sikkim, I just want to say a few things to Tripura. You guys are beautiful and lovely people, Thank you so much for giving us this warmth, this hospitality, this heart-touching moment in Tripura. I've been here before also, but again, coming to the 100 meet, the THM, all thanks to ILT, my brothers. I mean, you guys have worked throughout this rain, I know how hard it is, but like I told you earlier also, the rain is not going to defer us from having fun. And yesterday when we came on, when we were here and we were enjoying some of the best cultural programs that you had for us. I mean, hats off to those artists, those program, those cultural program, whatever you had for us. I mean, from the bottom of our heart, we want to thank everyone from Tripura, everyone. You guys are lovely. And we want to make sure we will again come back to Tripura, not as riders, but we'll promise we'll explore the villages, the tribes, everything about Tripura. In spite of the bad roads or whatever it is, riders don't care. All we care about is reaching the destination and having fun. And one hell of a fun we had, right? Cheers. Love to Tripura for making this happen. We're looking forward to.
Here from Sikkim, Kanchenjunga Motor Club from Sikkim. Kanchenjunga Gorkha Riders. Let us hear it. Our brothers from Sikkim, from Darjeeling and from Assam, we've been hearing about them one after the other. Queens of Mongols. Queens of Mongols. Let's hear it for them. What a wonderful thing to be a part of. I'm really, really honored.
Yeah, you guys might be thinking ये क्वींस ऑफ मंगोल्स में अभी तक क्या कर रहे हैं बोल के ये क्वींस मतलब हम लोग का राइट को बाइक को हम लोग क्वीन बनता है इसलिए हम मंगोल्स लोग के मंगोलियन टाइप का है इसलिए
झूठ बोला
इसलिए मंगोल्स का क्वीन इसे रखा and 56 yeah
Let me hear you one more time. Queens of Mongols. Let me hear a cheer. Running wolves.
We are based from a place called Namsai, Arunachal Pradesh. Right now I'm all alone from my group. Unfortunately, not everyone could make it here. But then it's good, okay. The roads are not very bad. It's decent for a two-wheeler. And it was a pure ride, man. Coming all the way from the half-long road and all that, it was quite a fun. And all thanks to my bike two-wheel. And thanks ILT for making an effort for the 100 meet. This is my first time here in Tripura, here in Agartala. And it has been an amazing experience. And you guys have a lot of beautiful girls, man. Thanks. Good night.
A lot of cheers to all the beautiful women in the venue.
we are seriously having fun, you know. Much love to Tripura and ILT Tripura. Seriously, these days, you know, I am more of ILT Tripura. Although I belong to Louis Traders or you know. Love to all, peace. Thank you so much for arranging this fucking beautiful. Sorry, I'm using, you know. Pardon. Thank you so much, ILT, for arranging this beautiful event for us. My brothers rode from all the way from Tinsukia. He has rode almost 1,000 kilometers, I guess, right? 1,000 odd kilometers. Tripura Hill, ILT, Tripura, yeah!
Only women, and it is called Ride All Queens and Some Motorcycle Club. Let there be.
We really enjoyed here.
Durjoynagar, guys, the heart of the conflict that you've been hearing about, the ethnic conflict in Manipur. Despite all the conflicts, we're still brothers. We have hope.
So find one of our brother from Sisipur. We call it very fondly Surachandpur in Manipur. This is what we actually come to events for, you know. Our brothers, despite all those like conflicts and you know whatever it is, still for brotherhood, they take all the risk. And for the love of brotherhood, my brother has come all the way from Sisipur and I couldn't stop myself. I want to present him a small token of love on behalf of Sikkim, on behalf of my club, Open Road Wanderers Motorcycle Club. Please give me this opportunity. So proud of you.
Woo!
Love to Manipur. I know
All the way from Siliguri.
अब यहाँ के इतना अच्छा लगा कि मतलब कुछ शब्द ही नहीं बोलने के लिए ना बस यही कहूँगा मजा आ गया
Tabuk mai chala sinai resamung khana khana woi resamung basimi opunglia tabuk kan mai chala tong la yo iko samung otam tam iko wak bahan alu bazar ke veg item ga chicken no kang na Italia. Sab chai tong ma de, am sab chai tong. Paponda ba chai tong paponda. Sitra Benny guitarist Amar, Young Gangate, the Titans. We the top. Anh bảo là music khana de se ma mun ngai tong na gre. Enjoy ro khayo sab hay thế nào quá. Enjoy là hay cái bao sao để enjoy. Nào tôi kì. Tôi nó cái lăng thằng bây giờ tata. Tôi cái mà tong này last rồi à.
Internet against the yellow, fuck that. Pull up on your daily cause I know that. Mention about the taste, no face, no peace. Come on everyone, let's do this together.
Engkau Borderland ni, sini brother. Kolombai. Bukan kecil kong no 80% buju.
TV channel. Please.
Tripura के बारे में क्या वो किया? First time visit किया?
This is my first time Tripura में.
Tripura में क्या feel हुआ? क्या experience किया? कैसा लगा Tripura?
आप लोगों को मिलके बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा और दोबारा मैं आना चाहता हूँ.
हाँ, जरूर आइए. हम भी आएंगे बोडोलैंड में. कभी नहीं गया.
Please welcome.
कौन सा फेस्टिवल अच्छा है वहाँ जाने के लिए?
हम लोग बैसागु
में आएगा. प्रोग्राम पाई क्या इको host जों मानी उनको बेलाइनो आराम नांखा किसा nervous उनखा obviously तामने के हम ते फातानी बड़ो रॉक स्टेट नि बड़ो रॉक सिक्किम मिजोरम नि दार्जिलिंग को तामनाई इको अरुणाचल नागालैंड मिजोरम मेघालय जतोनि फाइबे बाबा किसा nervous उनको चिन बड़ो सिमियाबा but I hope ang better खायमानाय with time to time और फायमा बाइचे को ताबो मते के सामु से खान बे मान थंगु का MCC कताल post मान थासियो कताल सामु कताल job designation सिं थासियो तेकेसा खाना तेकेसा माने सामु तंग तंग के 10:30 आं मा थांनाय ओनवा होटेल I hope आरा बकाम खायनाय कुनफान से preparation करिफानो like I hope I do my best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It was nice working with you. Yes. Very great work.
क्या अंगूठा क्या दिखा रहे हैं? ऐसा नहीं होता रे. ये कुछ भी करिए अंगूठा नहीं होता है. Thank you so much.
Yeah, come on.
Yes. Whoa. Simenjang, amo je simenjang, nek chegan, nang kemuzang mana, kemuzang mana, mane nuki, ang nang kemuzang mana, moi to magbhal pao jana ne. Yes, good night. Thank you so much. Oh, pura bikers ni road ng thang mo. Hey ra, baba. गाड़ी ले भाई में यहाँ से और ऑफ रोड पूरा तू मेरे को छोड़ के क्यों आया?
को हेल्प करना आया था.
मैं दुख हो गया.
हर का हम जोतो नो हम भाई लामसको.
Nice.
nin mung sagari do.
हाँ?
nin mung tamo?
आनी बुंग christinajdebbarma.
Ali mong rhythm Debbarma.
Good night. Kong chade.
Kokborok Hambai Horkam. That's Shingli. Horkam brother.
Horkam.